Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Boost Max GB500 Plus to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: the most powerful lithium jump starter built for extreme engine starting needs. Delivers over 6,250 amperes of peak power, capable of starting gasoline and diesel engines up to 45 liters. Supports a wide range of heavy-duty vehicles, including semi-trucks, buses, motorhomes, and construction equipment. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Boost Max GB500 Plus, battery clamps, microfiber storage bag, fast charging adapter, user manual, product description, internal battery level, hot LED, cold LED, error LED, voltage indicator, power button, power LED, voltmeter or countdown timer, boost LED, manual override LED, manual override button, voltage selection knob, light mode button, USB out LED, 12 volt out LED, 12 volt in LED. How to use: first, select the proper voltage for the battery you are jumping. Attach the clamps to the battery red, the positive black to negative. Next, power on the unit. The charge LEDs will chase and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that Boost Max has detected the battery and is ready to jump start. Start your car within 60 seconds before the internal timer powers off the unit. Repeat if necessary. Once the vehicle is on, power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. How to recharge: first, locate the 12-volt in port on the side of the unit. Open the cap and connect the provided fast charging cable to Boost Max. Connect the 12-volt car adapter into a vehicle's 12-volt port to start charging Boost Max. Can also be charged with the provided fast charging wall charger. Boost Max comes with a variety of different AC power cords for different regions. Connect the 12-volt cable to boost and plug in the other end of the cable into an AC plug. Once charging, the charge LEDs will slowly pulse. A full charge will take approximately 6 to 8 hours and will be indicated by the solid green LED. Specifications: safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.